It's actually going to record. It is recording, and we are live. What's up? What's up? Welcome to Boome's channel. Those of you who haven't followed me, my name is Buddy Boome. I'm from Northwest Washington, about 90 miles north of Seattle. Single father of 4, and I'm a digital entrepreneur. I've been making money from home since almost 10 years now. So I like to share with my followers, my friends, network marketers, affiliate marketers, MLMers, different ways that can make it easier on getting people leads in front of your business, like sharing leads systems and marketing systems and stuff to just automate your business so you can get more sales or more people in front of your business, which equals more dollar signs. And this right here, what I'm about to show you, is I've had it for quite a while. I've had it since it started. It's a cell phone funnel, a lot like the one that I just introduced you to the other day, SMS phone leads. But you're going to get higher paid commissions, and you can promote one primary business opportunity in the back end. And I just like the way this is set up. This is called Textbot.Ai. We're a chatbot. You can get $100 sales over and over. You can even get up to $500 sales with this, where you're simply just going to start off with a chatbot, a virtual assistant that's going to do the work for you, and then they're going to ask for the permission to send you text message on your phone, and then they'll move that conversation over to the text message and actually qualify your leads for you. So they're going to say yes by the time you even talk to them. If you even talk to them, they could say yes and be signed up, and you haven't even said anything to them, because this system actually does it all for you. So Textbot.Ai, the founder right here is Jeff Long. He's the creator of this, and you can start off on a page like this, or you can start off with a phone number. My number is 516-344-8618. And when you call that number, you're going to meet Ava. She's the virtual assistant. And simply, you can just put your phone number in. And that's what I'm going to do right here, is put my phone number in. 728-4747. Oh, my area code is 360 from the 360. And you're going to see, I'm going to walk you guys through this.
Awesome. Hey, thanks for entering your mobile number to be connected to Ava. Just remember, you can reply stop at any time to be removed. Now, before I have Ava send you a text message to the phone number you just entered, let me ask you a simple question. What excites you most about this technology right now? The ability to get paid $100 over and over sharing Ava with others? The ability to use Ava in your own business to text your leads and customers? Or both? Choose an answer, and then let's continue.
Okay, so this is going to give you the option. Say you just want to use this as an opportunity and get $100 over and over. You can press A. But if you already have a primary business that you're promoting, you can actually put that link in the back office of the Textbot.Ai, and you can promote Ava and get $100 to $500 commissions, and get commissions from this awesome chatbot technology. Then you're going to put both.
Well, perfect. It's great to know that you're exactly the kind of person that we're looking for. You like the idea of getting paid $100 over and over while having Ava, our texting chatbot, doing all of the work for you, while she even helps you build and promote whatever business you want. Well, before I go on, let me go ahead and introduce myself to you. My name is Jeff Long, and I'm the creator, founder, and CEO of a company called Textbot. Basically, because I had a few crazy thoughts one day about how cool it would be to be able to text people without actually being the one texting them. Entrepreneurs from all over the world, from all walks of life, are getting payment notifications of $100 being sent to them over and over, and all they're doing is sharing this exact system with others. Well, some are getting these notifications a few times a month, while others are getting happily bombarded with them throughout the day while spending time with family or, just doing the things that they love. Go ahead and take my friend John, for example. He also goes by the name of Bones. Now, he sent me this video of him hanging out with his kids, and he had to share it, so I wanted to show it to you and just prove a point. So check this out.
I'm going to stop this because
Hey,
you guys are going to have the option to be able to check out these full videos. So I'm just walking you through how you get started when you check out this link, and you can promote your offer.
Great, thanks for letting me know. Well, now since you like the
and it's simply just going to ask, are you ready to get started? Do you have the $100 right now? You're ready to get started, take action, and start getting Ava all for your own. Or you can say you're not interested. You can say, yep, I have the $100 if you do. And then it's just going to
congratulations on making the mental
it's just going to bring you through here. And then you're just going to say, you're going to have a few more questions. Jeff's going to go along, and then you can say join now. And then what this simply is going to do is just going to say, you're going to create your account, put your name, your first name, last name, your email. You're going to choose a username, no special characters, and choose a password. And it's going to say you're invited by Buddy, and then you're going to get started. And then depending on the compensation plan that Textbot.Ai use is the reverse one-up compensation plan. So with your very first sale, you're going to be able to break even with this system. So I've already broke even with this, and then my second sale, it's going to go up to my sponsor. That's the person that invited me to Textbot. His name is Eric, the Good Life Johnson. So that commission, second commission, goes up to Eric, and then you're qualified. You're going to get your sales from that point on. You don't have to pass any sales or commissions up, and this is a cool thing because you're able to leverage off of all the people that join you at Textbot. They're going to actually pass their second sale up to you. So that's why it makes sense to get people set off and get them set off to a quick start. It's very simple. You can just promote in the phone number. You can promote the phone number or the website, and you can do this offline. There's a lot of offline methods you can use. You can use sizzle cards. Those are like little business cards with messages on them. You can use flyers, drop cards, like the $100 bill drop cards. You can do bandit signs. You could do window decals. I actually have a window decal on my vehicle with this Textbot number that I promote every day when I'm going back and forth to work. And then there's classified ads, social media, person to person. And, social media, there's a very simple way. And Textbot is worldwide, so it doesn't even have to be US. You can grow a team wherever you're at in the world and grow a Textbot team. And it's very simple. Say, for instance, the person's from Seattle and say, hey, I see you live in Seattle. I work with a lot of whatever they do. Say they're a realtor. I work with a lot of realtors in the Seattle area. I'm looking to expand my business. Hey, listen, would you be open to take a look at what I'm doing? If not, no big deal. That's how you invite people to take a look at what you're doing. You don't even have to mention the product, the business, or anything. You just say, hey, are you open to take a look at what I'm doing to make some extra cash here? If not, no big deal. And I got that training and those scripts from Ray Higdon's coaching program, mentor program. It's called Rank Makers. I actually get that training from the offer that I promote in the back end here. It's called Mint Builder. That's the first silver and gold home business. And that's actually the niche that Ray Higdon started off in, is the silver and gold home business. So some great training there that you learn. Just getting people to call to action to check out a phone number or a website. And then you get a virtual assistant that actually does the rest for you. It gets the members, like this website. It actually did all the work for me. So this thing is actually working for you 24/7, whether they call the number or they check out your website. And, the sky's the limit with this. It's just a one-time $100 to get started with Textbot. And then the very first sale, when you share it with somebody, you can get the $100 immediately. Then the second sale, you actually pass up There's actually a $500 commissions that you can get in here too. But there's other ways that you can get started. You can actually check out the link. There's different ways that you can get started for lower, but you're not going to get the. Okay, so this is the. I want to access Ava now for $100 usage, or you can do the I want to pay $10 for a 7-day trial. That's what I was getting to. You can start Ava and you can get it for a 10-day trial and you can check it out. And that's pretty cool because you get to check it out just for $10. So that's what I was getting to. I knew there was something that I was leaving out. And then you can just create your account. It's that simple. And if you have a primary business already, you can promote your primary business in the back end. You can promote Textbot. When they take a look at Textbot, they're gonna get access to taking a look at your primary opportunity, whatever that may be, if you have one. If you don't, then it's no big deal because you can promote Textbot for your primary offer and get $100 commissions straight out. So I just wanted to do this really quick review about Textbot.Ai. Get your own virtual assistant. You can start for a $10 trial for 7 days, or you can start for one time $100. And they do go by credits in here. Let's go through Textbot. I'm going to go to my back office here. You can get credits for as low as just $10, and the credits are used when the technology is uses. And I put like $60 in when I first started Textbot, and I'm still down to $45.73, and I've been a part of this for a long time. Had a lot of people checking it out. And one of the cool things in here too is when you get Ava Basic, there's Ava Plus. You can check out your leads. You can put custom keywords in there. You can put tracking. You can make a tracking link. Say you're promoting Textbot on flyers. You can put Textbot flyer, so it's going to show how much traffic you're getting to certain link. Or you can do Textbot on Facebook or Textbot for YouTube. You can see how much traffic you're getting from each link, and you can track that. And actually, too, in the back office here, say if you're talking to somebody and they said they had a question, this Textbot's actually going to shoot you a message and say so-and-so has a question. So you can go in here and actually pick the name. You can turn Ava off and then go to personal to yourself, and you can actually have a conversation with them in the back office here. And then you can answer any type of questions that they may have within here. And then you just simply turn Ava back on, or whatever that you're going to do. Okay, so let's just say, for instance, here, okay, it says you, then it says Ava. It says, let me know if you have any questions. And you can switch over and put you, and then you can just go in here and type a message. So, pretty cool technology for a one-time $100. Promote your opportunity. You can get more leads for your opportunity, and you can automate your business, and this is qualifying your leads for you through this cell phone technology, through this Textbot, Chatbot, virtual assistant, whatever you want to call it. So to get Ava for yourself, you can call that number. It is 516-344-8618. Call Ava. You can check it out, see how she works for yourself. Or you can check that link out in the description. Just click it, and you're actually going to go to the video that I just showed you. It may go to a capture page, but it's just going to go to the video that you're introduced here in the first time. You're just going to push continue. It's going to put your phone number in there, and then it's going to ask you if you're promoting your business or you want to make $100 bills. Just walk right through it to get set up. And I actually accept PayPal and Venmo with this, and I also accept Bitcoin. You can use your own payment methods with Textbot. That's one thing I didn't mention. So you can use Venmo, you can use Oru, you can use Bitcoin, or Stripe, PayPal, whatever it may be. I do accept PayPal, and I accept Venmo and Bitcoin. So if any of those, you can accept those type of payments. So have any questions, hit me up on my cell phone, text me, or hit me up on the Facebook Messenger. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. When I come out with lead systems like this that you could help you explode your business, you'll be the first to find out about it, and other money-making opportunities also. So be sure to leave a comment down below. Just let me know what your thoughts are, even if it's an emoji or a thumbs up or anything. Positive criticism or negative criticism, I'll take it. All right, friends, network marketers, definitely a way to explode your business. Textbot.Ai. Check it out. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.